steering box is kind of heavy and awkward to hold, but I decided to paint it silver. And then I was looking at all my tie rods and it's like, now I gotta paint that silver. The tie rods were black. They looked fine, but I just thought they were gonna look, I thought they would look a lot better painted silver, so took all the tie rods off, even though they were installed, painted them silver. They look a lot better. I'm glad I did that. Now if I can just get this steering box on. This thing's heavy, man. There we go. Just gonna bolt it in for now. I'm gonna come back and torque these up later. Okay, now we got the steering box mounted, we got the power steering pump mounted. The reservoir here will mount on the inner fender once that's back on. For now, we'll just leave that off to the side here. Need to get the pulley on, then we can put the alternator on, get the belt on. We'll be making some real progress. All right, let's get this pulley installed on the pump here. I'm just gonna kind of set it on there best I can with my hand. This will thread in here. You want to thread this in there all the way so you get a good amount of threads to hang on to. And once that's in, then it's just a matter of tightening this to push the pulley on there and we'll be good to go. Trying to go kind of slow here just so it pushes on evenly. Oh. All right, now I think we're about there now. Now let's get the alternator on, we can get the belt on, and it's gonna start looking pretty complete. And let's see. Okay, we got the power steering pulley mounted. We got the alternator mounted. See if I can remember how to get this belt on. Let's see if I can get it squeezed in there. I kind of have to rotate it along. Turn it. There we go.